PEPETRY Coin, will it rise or fall? The 60-minute candlestick chart for PEPETRY shows some volatility over the past week, with the price moving between 0.000321 and 0.000333. The 20-day, 50-day, and 100-day moving averages indicate that the short-term trend is attempting to reverse after a recent dip. PEPETRY's price currently sits just below the 200-day moving average of 0.000346, indicating a potential upward shift if momentum can build. Volume spikes were observed during significant price movements, with the latest drop correlating with a decline in volume. If PEPETRY's trading volume increases, it may push the price toward the upper Bollinger Band, indicating more bullish behavior. The RSI for PEPETRY stands at 69.97, nearing the overbought territory. Historically, when PEPETRY's RSI reaches levels above 70, the price tends to correct. The last time RSI hovered around this value, PEPETRY saw a sharp drop, but given the current trend, if the RSI crosses 70, a small upward movement might still be seen before the correction. For now, investors should keep an eye on this indicator since it suggests that PEPETRY may be due for a slight pullback soon. The stochastic oscillator for PEPETRY is at a high 91.49, clearly indicating an overbought market condition. The last time PEPETRY was at this level, it quickly reversed its trend, showing a downward correction. This pattern suggests that the current overbought state might soon lead to a short-term correction in PEPETRY's price. If the stochastic falls below 80, it would signal the start of a bearish trend. The MACD indicator shows a value of 1.367E06 with a signal line at 4.851E07. The MACD line crossing above the signal line indicates that bullish momentum is still present for PEPETRY. However, the histogram shows a diminishing upward trend, hinting that the bullish movement may soon slow. If the MACD falls below the signal line, PEPETRY could experience a downward reversal. Traders should watch closely for the histogram's direction to confirm the next trend. PEPETRY is currently trading near the upper limit of its Bollinger Bands, which signals that the coin is facing high volatility. In the past, when PEPETRY has traded outside the bands, significant price fluctuations followed. If PEPETRY breaks through the upper Bollinger Band and maintains momentum, the price could see a sharp rise. Conversely, if it retracts, a downward move toward the middle band, around 0.000321, could be expected. PEPETRY is currently hovering around the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of 0.000321. Historically, the 50% level has acted as a strong support or resistance for PEPETRY. If the price continues to hold at this level, there's a strong possibility for a rebound toward the 38.2% Fibonacci level of 0.000340. However, a breakdown below the 50% retracement could lead to further declines toward the 61.8% level at 0.000302. The daily candlestick chart for PEPETRY, spanning over the past year, reveals key support levels around 0.000319 and resistance near 0.000333. Notably, there was a major price spike 6 months ago when PEPETRY reached 0.000401. Since then, the price has been consolidating within a tight range. The average volume over this period has also shown consistent peaks during significant price movements, suggesting that any breakout from the current range could result in high volatility for PEPETRY. Looking at the 3-year weekly candlestick chart, PEPETRY has faced resistance at around 0.000401 multiple times. Every time PEPETRY approached this level, it was met with significant selling pressure. However, the coin has found consistent support at around 0.000240, where buying interest tends to pick up. If the volume continues to grow, PEPETRY could attempt to challenge the resistance level again, but failure to do so might result in a retreat to its long-term support levels. General review: PEPETRY's short-term indicators show signs of bullish momentum, but the overbought signals from both the RSI and the stochastic oscillator suggest caution. With the price near the upper Bollinger Band and the MACD showing a weakening bullish trend, PEPETRY may face resistance in pushing significantly higher. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level will be key in determining the next direction. Traders should closely watch for any volume surges, as they will provide clues for potential breakouts or breakdowns. Based on current conditions, PEPETRY appears poised for either a slight rise or a pullback in the short term, but its long-term prospects remain promising if it can break through the key resistance levels.